Today, I want to share a quick, tried and tested, no prep end of the week team ritual that will help your people celebrate, help them navigate challenges and better support each other, and also help get to know each other better as people. Let's jump in. So I learned about this activity. I was running an executive education program at the University of Dayton last year, and I'll always ask people to share some of the things that were really working for them. And one leader shared this weekly end of the week ritual that he did, where in his end of the week meeting with his team, he had everybody go around and answer 3 questions. And I can't remember the exact questions he asked, but I am now calling it the 3W model. So first, you're going to have people go around, and they can do this in under a minute each. What's one win that you had this week? So it can be anything from getting an email sent, or moving a project forward, or going to your kid's baseball game, or going to sleep on time. It can be anything small or large. Then people share what's one wall you're up against. Is there some challenge that you're facing, something that you're stuck on that you need support on? And people have the opportunity to share, hey, here's something I'm up against right now, and I don't need any support on this at this moment, but I just want you to know that this is something I'm up against right now. And people could say, and next week I may reach out about X or to have a conversation with you to get help on it. So everybody understands what are some of those walls that people are up against. And then the last one is weekend. And not everybody wants to talk about what's going on in their life, but it's also an opportunity. Hey, what are your plans for the upcoming weekend? What are you going to do to take care of yourself? What are you planning to do? Hey, you know what? I'm actually going to go out fishing this weekend. Or you know what? My kid's got to play and I'm going to be going to that. Or we got family in town, whatever it may be. And people don't have to share, but it's an opportunity to say, hey, what are you doing on the weekend? Because when we ask about that, we also learn about what people do in their free time, what they care about, what matters to them, and because where people spend their time in their free time tells us a lot about what matters most to them. So next week at the end of your meeting, consider asking the 3 W's. What's one win? What's one wall? And what are your plans for the weekend? And give it a shot and see how it goes. Now, if you're looking for other ideas, check out some of the other videos on this channel, specifically 3 powerful check-in activities for virtual meetings, which you can use in in-person meetings as well. And also check out my book, 75 Team Activities for Remote Teams. And if you're just looking for help in general as a leader, as an organization, helping your leaders have the conversations that matter most, then reach out to me at beyondthankyou.com. Take care and have an amazing day. Bye.